Which word means most nearly the same as intelligent? A. Interscholastic, B. Intelligencer, C. Ingratiating, D. Ingenious, or E. Ingenuous. As we can see, this question has several words that sound like one another, and we'll need to go through each choice carefully to make sure we're selecting the correct answer. Let's begin by defining intelligent: having good understanding or a high mental capacity. Interscholastic, meaning between schools, can be marked off, as it simply doesn't have enough in common with intelligent. Intelligencer, although sharing a root with intelligent, has a different connotation. Here, intelligence is referring to secret information, and an intelligencer is one who acts as a spy. Therefore, it too can be marked as incorrect. Ingratiating, meaning charming or agreeable, can also be marked off for lack of connection to intelligent. We are left with two very similar looking words, ingenious and ingenuous. Taking a careful look at the spelling, we can see that ingenious has the root of genius, although the spelling is a bit different, which of course has to do with intelligence, while ingenuous actually shares its root with words like genial or congeniality. Based on this, we can mark D, ingenious, as our final answer.